Hey y'all, so I've been trying to learn how to make this myself, just to save some coins. Y'all know I got 5 kids, so every coin counts. So I got these lashes, cluster lashes off the TikTok shop. It comes with the bun and the sealant. So I'm just trying to learn how to put these on. It seemed fairly easy, so you just put the bun on. I stuck a little bit on the lash cluster itself. And by the way, if you want these lashes, I'll go ahead and link those below so you can buy them directly on the TikTok shop. Support your girl. Okay, so this is the lashes done. I think they are so cute, and it took me about 10 minutes. So we're gonna start on my hair as well. Yeah, y'all can see what's going on with that. I just put this little leave-in conditioner spray after I washed it and some curl milk, and I went ahead and just put that throughout my hair, and just to get some moisture going up on there. And I took a little bit of this castor oil. I always put that on my edges because I'm regrowing them, and everything is nice and moisturized and ready to be styled. You feel me? So I just kind of massage that in for a little bit and get a nice little rub down in there. Alright, and this one, my hair is looking like it's nice and soft, and I use this little Verb Ghost oil when I'm gonna wear my natural hair because it just gives it a little shine. So I started doing like the little finger coils with a little bit of gel. That was my intentions. I usually style my hair like that, or I just comb through it with the gel, but I realized I didn't have enough, so I went straight to doing a wig that I got off of Amazon, a kinky curly wig, and it's nice and soft and fluffy. You feel me? Love it. Okay, love it. It looks like some natural hair or whatever. I don't even know how to install wigs, but I managed, and I wanted it to look as natural as possible, and this is what it looked like afterwards. I kind of just let the baby hairs do whatever they want to do, and yeah, so y'all, and let me know if y'all need the details to the wig. Now, I tried my best. I did what I could. I just didn't want the baby hairs to look too perfect and stuff like that. I just want to look like something that could be mine's maybe. And I'm gonna get some mousse and just tame the curls and maybe do like a twist out or some one curls or something like that. So yeah, this is what I did today. Let me know what you think. That's up close and personal. Bye.